Here's a saying I love to live by, and I've been living by my entire life. Everything happens for a reason, because it does. Every single thing that I do that doesn't turn out the way I want it to, I always say, everything happens for a reason. Because God wants it to happen for a reason. People are in your life for a reason. People come in my life and they go, and then I think and say, why don't we talk anymore? And then I think and say, you know what? Everything happens for a reason. They were meant to be in my life for a certain amount of time, and now they're gone. It's as simple as that. You know, there's some wise words of wisdom.
Okay, everybody back to the lab. Try again.
First, say hi to the vlog.
Hi everybody.
Hi, Cookie.
Cookie, yalla.
So
Yalla.
hi, Cookie. Baby, I miss you. I'm gonna have a pamper day today. Ladies, don't ever forget to pamper yourself. It's 7 a.m. I woke up a while ago. I'm actually headed to the gym. It's so cold. I woke up snow. So insane, but so beautiful. So I'm gonna go to the gym and then, yeah. Yes, lovely, and it's cold. So beautiful. I'm gonna go have breakfast. I want to get something warm, something to just feel the winter vibes. So we got peppermint mocha, and we got a wrap, and then she got another panini. I think it's panini. Looks really good. Now we're gonna go to Target.
And more happiness and love during the joyful time.
Target. Yes. So we're here in Target, and there's supposed to be a blizzard, but we're here in Target, so I don't know if this is a good idea being here. When we arrived here, there already is snow. So pretty. Oh my, I want this one. Guys, get this from Target if you like candles. And then there's this one. Pretty, but it doesn't smell as good as the other one. Would you wear this? Look at this. The Christmas stuff is all out at Target. Favorite time of the year. Target. Because they have Christmas stuff. Guys, look at the Christmas stuff. cute. Guys, look how big this Kisses is. And then this Reese's. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So we got a couple of things and I'm going to show you when I get home. Now we're just at Starbucks and we're watching the snow fall and it's the most beautiful thing.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's so slippery. So the first thing I got, which I'm super excited about for my videos, is this light. And it's just LED lights. They're so pretty. They were like for $8, so you can get it Target, or if you're not in the US, order it on Amazon. The next thing I got is just coconut oil. Here's a fact, always get unrefined. Way better than refined. Got some hair ties because I needed them and they looked so cute. The colors are so pretty. So I got that. I also got chapstick. Let's try it now. Very, very moisturizing. Found this. The last thing, if there's one item I can recommend from these things, and it's the Mood Room Spray with roses, vanilla, and woods. It smells like oud. If you live in Saudi Arabia, you know what oud smells like, and this smells like this. If you're in the US and you want to get something similar to oud, this is the closest thing.